Growing up, I contemplated existence. I looked for clues for the purpose of life. Curiosity was my language, and the universe was my playing field. To find the answers I was looking for, I went on a wild ride and traveled the world. I devoted myself to yoga, and eventually, I joined the circus. Today I realize that the purpose of life is to live life at its fullest, to laugh as often as possible, and to fall in love with every moment deeply. My name is Gabby, and I create realities. It's the simplest way I can describe it. I create once-in-a-lifetime experiences that redefine what's normal. For me, it's about getting goosebumps as often as possible. To live a life that takes your breath away and experiencing as many what the fuck moments that leave you asking, is this actually happening? Or better yet, am I dreaming? Today, I am still that curious child. I continue to contemplate the nature of reality. But I also understand that the universe is within me, that we only live once, and perhaps most importantly, that dreams are meant to be lived awake.